How do we take complex information and make it simple without dumbing it down? I love this question. So there's two things that you can do that will help you simplify information without necessarily making the person that you're talking with feel like you're talking to a two-year-old. So first and foremost, I want you to think about talking in terms of impact over process. Let me give you an example. You could say, oh my gosh, we're losing tons of customers because our click rate retention, blah, 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 algorithm, insert big complicated words, XYZ, wing-ding thing is happening, and that's why we're losing customers. No, that's hard to listen to and hard to understand, and not necessarily very impactful for the listener. Now, what if you took that phrase and said, we are losing customers because our site's too slow? That's impact over process. So when you're explaining something complex, I want you to think about what's the impact that it has on the other person, and then let that other person ask you for details if they want them. The other thing that you can do is ask yourself, if I explained this to a brand new person, would they be able to understand it? This is important because it helps us reduce some of the technical jargon that we might use or industry language that's specific that a new person may not know. So if you think about it explaining that way, it'll help you simplify the language in a meaningful way for your listener. So give these things a try and see if you can't make your message a little bit simpler.